Just like the pool and the water of Bethesda. It couldn't say, look what a great water I am. For when the angel went off of the water, it was just water. Is that right? That's right. Now, I'm just your brother by the grace of God. But when the angel of the Lord moves down, it becomes then a voice of God to you. Maybe if I offended you by saying that, forgive me. But I felt that might have been resented. But I am God's voice to you. See, I say that again. That time was under inspiration, see. And I felt bad about the first time, but it repeated it. Now, see, I can say nothing in myself, but what He shows me, I say it. You believe it and watch what happens.